In this video, we are going to discuss Mariosoft accounting quick guide. We have here our 5 easy steps. First is we are going to log in. After that, we input an item. Then we accept sales. We'll view that sales transaction as well as the sales and profit reports. Alright, let's bring it on. Master admin. Okay, to add our new item, I will click MasterFiles, item master. So we have 3 records here for the unit of measure of the item, for the categories of our item, and for the item itself. To add our new record, I will click new. After that, we generate the the item ID. Let's say our item is Ganador. Unit measure, I will click this. Sock. We have no sock category, so I will click new. Generate. Sock. Save. I will search again. Sock. It's there. I will double click. Here sock category is rice. Oh, and rice new category ID rice. Save. Close. Rice enter. So we have here our rice. So the unit cost of our ganador is, let's say, 1,700, and we sell it 1,900. Our available quantity is 10. Our reorder level is 3, which means if our available quantity will reach to 3, that's the time when our system will identify that this item needs to be replenished or needs to be reordered. So we'll just leave the location and details as blank, and we are going to click save. So we are going to search ganador. We have no ganador. We will refresh our record. Okay, ganador. Okay, it's there. If you would like to edit, you can double click and we can update. Now we are done with inputting our item. Next is we are going to accept sales. We have here sales transaction. So this is our UI. We are going to set up a cash drawer first. Click. Let's say when our cashier start the transaction, we give him or her a petty cash of 500. So the cash drawer, this is a way of separating from one cashier sales to the other. For example, we have this shifting our cashier morning, let's say 8 to 12, and then 12 to 5 to separate its sales so that they will be accountable once we reconcile or once we perform a reading on their sales, the system amount and the actual amount in their cash drawer. So that is why we need this. We have this facility in our program. So I will click start sales, then order. So we have here, we're going to search ganador. It's there. I will press enter, and I will type one sack, one quantity order. Okay, and I will also buy Alpine. I will type 2. So as you can see here, insufficient quantity, but it still asks to continue, and the available quantity here is negative. Our system allows a negative quantity because we are anticipating that our uh, products or our items already in our display, but for some reasons we were not able to input it in the receiving or in our system, but the item is physically there, so we can sell it once it is needed by our customer. Once we input this uh, item on our receiving, so our available quantity will adjust the 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 quantity on hand. So let's say on the physical uh, display we have already 100, so when we input 100, then the available quantity will just adjust. So we'll just click yes, and then we are going to pay. Let's say we have here 2000, and I will press enter, and we have here total cash, and then okay. We are not able to disable the POS functionality, so that is why it appears here. We'll close that and click OK. So I will disable first the machine printers. We're going to deactivate the printer for the POS. So we are going to view the transaction, sales orders. We have here our date range, and I will click go. So we have our record here. If we encounter some error, or there's some mistakes on the record, we can simply check that and we can void the record and have this confirmation. We are going to answer no in this. So we have here sales and profit reports. So in order to view our sales, we have sales reports. So we can generate per transaction sales. We can do that. So per receipt, or we can use daily sales. Daily sales, it will display the the daily sales of our uh, store based on the date range that we have. Actually, we have this previous input before, so we can have here 2015, and we have here 2016, and we're going to click preview. So we have here the daily sales reports. We have here 612. We have here the receipts and the sales. Okay, so this is how daily sales looks like in the long run. That this is a tabulated format, but we can also look at it in a chart format, wherein it will interpret like this. We can also do it in a weekly sales table. So we have here the weekly sales of our uh, store, year, week, then total receipts, and then we have here the total sales. Or we can have it in monthly sales. Monthly. So we have here January, this is the sales. February, this is the sales. June, this is the sales. July, this is the sales. And we can also do it in a chart format. So we have this. We can have also item sale, so it will display per item, table format. So we have here for the Alaska Condensada 44, here the sales Alaska Cream, Moxicillin. So that's the listing of our sales per item. We have here the profit reports. So the same with the sales, we can have here in a daily uh, format 2016. So we have here 25, this is the total sales, this is our total cost, this is our profit. 26, this is total sales, the total cost, and the profit. So we can have it also in weekly, we can have it also in monthly. So in the month of January, this is the sales, this is the cost, we have here the profit. February, this is the sales, this is the cost, this is the total profit. We can also, yes, display it in a chart format. Alright, I guess we're done with the quick guide. Thank you.